Hello and welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. We're going to start here at Bar Boulevard and fly south over Shadybrook and see all the construction that has been completed and all the houses and all the yards. Man, look at them all. Shadybrook is almost done. All we have to worry about is the north side of Bar Boulevard and Shadybrook will be complete. If you can see down south there, you can see that Marsh Bend Trail has been extended past Bexley Trail. I also have a hot tip on a house being sold here shortly. So if you're looking for a brand new warbler, I know where one is at. Here we are at the Saluki Rec Center. We're flying north over Shadybrook. We're going to fly over across the pond and you can see the corner of Moultrie Creek. Moultrie Creek's been finished for a couple of years now. And you can see how developed Moultrie Creek is compared to Shadybrook. It is nice to have a fire station centrally located for us. Down here on Bar Boulevard, we're facing north, looking at Central Parkway or 470, and you can see all the construction that's going on. You can see all the new houses, the designer homes, the premier homes being built, and you can see the verandas. You can see the verandas being built down here. You can see that the marsh is drying up, but as soon as rainy season comes, that'll fill right up. See all the verandas down there? Wow, check them all out. They'll be built and finished soon. Okay, we're at the beginning of Shadybrook, and this is all that Shadybrook has to be done with. This is all the construction that Shadybrook has left. They get these few houses built here, and Shadybrook will be done. Shadybrook will be complete. If you're getting anything out of the videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I do videos like this weekly. I'll do them over Shadybrook, Wells Point, Marsh Bend, Water's Edge, Eastport Town Square, which you'll see at the end of the video. Here we are flying away from Saluki Rec Center, and now we are flying still away from Saluki Rec Center. And right there, that is the warbler that's going to go up for sale here shortly. Be ready to open up them pocketbooks and write them checks because it'll cost a pretty penny. This is the village of Water's Edge, and you can see a lot of the houses are completed. There are some that just started because you can see a slab down there. You can see some are under roof. You can see that some of the yards aren't in. You can see the walls are completed and they don't even have a roof on them. There's a lot of selections down through here in different stages of construction. This was filmed on April 1st, so we can see how long is the progress of Water's Edge. Here we are flying north just past the Water's Edge Postal Center and seeing all the houses up through here, the premier houses, the designer homes. We're at the intersection of Bar Boulevard and 470. And we're going to fly west here along 470 or Central Parkway and get a look at these houses. You can see that they have started at this end of Water's Edge. You can see they have just started and we'll have these houses completed in no time. Just drop some water down there on the sand and plant a house. And 3 months later, house is complete and sold. Look at all those houses. You can see down there, there's all these villas down there, and you can see the villas and cottage homes. Here we are flying over the power lines, my arch enemy, flying west here into Shadybrook. Here we are flying high above the villages. There's a storm that passed by, and I thought it was really neat to film. And you can see the village of Water's Edge and the village of Shadybrook and the storm. It was really cool. It didn't get us, it flew south of us. We didn't get no water, even though the ponds looked full. I was looking for some lightning because that'd been really cool to film. Not one bolt of lightning. It was thundering, but no lightning for us to see. Look at all the open land just east of Bexley Trail. Man, it's a lot of houses that they're going to have to be building out there. A lot of people retiring into the villages. Eastport Town Square. This is the softball diamonds, and you can see where the concrete pads are for golf cart parking. You can see that they have the village just north of there, already to be built upon. You can see here the Olympia Rec Center, the Sales Center, the pickleball courts, the tennis courts, and maybe where a Publix will go. But I do believe that's where Publix is going to go, and that'll be really nice for the village of Shadybrook and Water's Edge and Moultrie Creek. There we are, the golf carts, Sales Center, Eastport Hotel, Central Lake, with Sunset Island. You can see how far along they are, and you can see how the golf cars is going to be opened up. You can see the driving range where the stage is at, Central Lake and Sunset Island. If you're liking this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks you will enjoy of mine.